In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable profile discoverability in Notion. This is a quick privacy tweak that controls whether other people can easily find your profile in Notion through search and suggestions. If you prefer to keep a lower profile or reduce how often your account appears in mentions and invites, this setting is for you. With Notion open, look to the left-hand sidebar. Near the bottom, you'll see the gear icon labeled Settings, sometimes shown as Settings and Members. Click that to open your account and workspace settings. This is the central place where Notion keeps general preferences, appearance options, and privacy controls, so it's the right spot for what we need today. Inside the Settings panel, select the Preferences section. You'll find it in the list on the left side of the window. Preferences is where Notion groups personal controls that affect your experience rather than workspace-wide admin options. If you don't see it at first glance, make sure you're in the correct tab and scroll a bit. Depending on your window size, some items can be lower on the page. Now, scroll to the very bottom of the Preferences page. There, you'll see the option for Profile Discoverability with a simple toggle next to it. Switch this toggle off to disable Profile Discoverability. When it's off, Notion reduces how visible your profile is across the app, which helps you stay more private. There's no save button to press here. The change applies immediately. If you're signed in on multiple devices, give it a moment to sync everywhere. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. First, if the toggle looks grayed out, try expanding the window or scrolling further, as some layouts hide parts of the panel. Second, this change is reversible at any time. If you ever want to be discoverable again, simply come back to Preferences and flip the same toggle back on. Finally, remember that this setting focuses on how findable your profile is within Notion. It doesn't change the sharing permissions on your pages, so your existing page access stays exactly the way you set it. And there you go. That's all you need to do to disable profile discoverability in Notion. Click Settings in the left pane, open Preferences, head to the bottom, and switch off the toggle. Simple, fast, and effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your Notion experience exactly as private as you want it to be.